necklaces that elevate every outfit, whether you're going for minimal, bold, vintage, or playful looks. With endless combinations of color, texture, and charm, these necklaces bring handcrafted detail into your everyday style. Discover PandaHall's Beaded Necklace Collection, a curated range for every taste and trend. From subtle accents to statement pieces, find the perfect necklace to suit your moment. Explore styles made from glass beads, acrylic, shell, and more, each with its own character and shine. Layer them, gift them, or make them your signature piece. Crafted with care and attention to detail, each necklace features clean stringing, smooth finishing, and vivid beads that hold their color and charm over time. Whether up close or on display, the quality speaks for itself. Our best-selling beaded necklaces are loved for a reason: stylish, affordable, and always on trend. Don't miss the customer favorites everyone is adding to their collection. Shop the full collection now at PandaHall. Affordable, stylish, and full of handmade charm, your next favorite necklace awaits. Thanks for watching. Discover more handmade inspiration at PandaHall, where every necklace tells your style story.